name?
Trevor.
What's your nickname?
T-Dog.
Riding the Blue 50, was that your first time on it?
Yep. I was riding it one week. It was pretty cool.
So, you just started riding it and then you just went and hit the ramp first thing?
Yep. First thing. I was just riding.
Yeah. I just got paid. It's Friday night. Party's jumping. I feel so high. Dog pound gangsters. We at it again. Party's popping from beginning to end. Give me what you got, move something for me. Show me what you got, do something for me. Who got the hand, who got the bud? Stash, slash, hazel hash. Hit me with the world, dog. Keep them cuffs on your girl, dog. I'm a major majority of this party. Gangsta party, corrupt young Gotti. Cause ain't nothing else to do. And when Friday hit, my day hit. See, it's all left up to you. It's your choice, but corrupt step up to you. I just got paid. It's Friday night. Party's jumping. Feel so high. Dog pound gangsters. We at it again. Party's popping. From beginning to end. Ain't nothing else for me to do besides this. Rolling through it, homie, like it just ain't shh. Now that I'm here, where you at? Front to up, down the back, round the front, round the back. Okay, let's say you can do it your way, I'ma do it my way. Project the borough, today to tomorrow. Escapade to Parade Expressway to Highway, the freeway to Tri-State 101 to 45, Turnpike to 95. This is how I ride. Saturdays is always the best of me, cause the whole day ain't nothing but rest of me. I got ladies hitting me cause they just wanna chill. The perfect requirements in a safe environment. Like, what's that poppin' at the top of the hill? Where it's always poppin' like heats and pills. I just got paid. Saturday night. The party's poppin', feel so high. Dog pound gangsters, we at it again. The party's jumping, from beginning to end. Sunday nights and there ain't no fights, and the homies just gathered up at the doghouse. And everything was straight, it was 2008, like a dream with our wives and everything's fine. And he started blowing on the mic, and Butchie started blowing on the mic. HD started blowing on the mic. Dog pound gangsters all day and all night. I just got paid. It's Sunday night. The party's jumping. I feel so high. Dog pound gangsters. We at it again. The party's popping. From beginning to end. Damn, I ain't never seen a hoe with that much ass. I just got paid. It's Friday night. The party's jumping. Feel so high. Dog pound gangsters. We at it again. The party's popping. From beginning to end.
Tell me, what do you want to be when you grow up?
In the Army. And a different.
In the DBP Army?
Yeah. It's DBP Army is when you're riding dirt bikes and riding dirt bikes, killing bad guys. That's what you do. And do other stuff. Peace out, Tito.